Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Montemayor. And today, I've got a super treat for you because right behind me is a modern masterpiece, which I cannot wait to show you around. We're standing on a plot of 3,800 square meters and a build behind me of just under 900 square meters. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's do it! Woo! Here we are on the ground floor. And what does the ground floor consist of? A beautiful designer kitchen with its own pantry, a massive dining table, a lounge area, and 2 fabulous bedrooms with their own ensuite. And not to forget the most spectacular views. Look at this. Montemayor is a gated community with 24-hour security. It borders on a natural reserve called Natura 2000, which runs all the way from Spain to Norway. So you can be quite confident that there's going to be little to no buildings popping up around. Also, it's important to point out that Montemayor neighbours with the world-famous Marbella Club Golf Resort. How can you be set up in these spectacular mountains without an equestrian centre? And also very important is, not so far away you've got an international school, a very large supermarket, and you're only 10 minutes from the beach. But you ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go upstairs and have a look around, shall we? Something also that's really cool about this property is you have a very large lower level. From there you can build a cinema room, a gym, a spa centre, or even 2 more bedrooms. Well guys, I'm afraid we've come to the end of another wonderful Engel Völkers property tour. Now if you want more information about this house, click on the link below. And if you want more information on all of our stunning listings, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you soon here in Marbella. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful evening.